Hey, I just want to show you something really cool. This was the house that I did for the lady with glaucoma, cannot see, and her neighbor made this paper rendition of uplights for her so she could actually physically feel. If you can kind of see, it's kind of like a little cardboard cutout. You can really see and feel like where the lights are positioned for this house right here. Pretty amazing stuff. Going to be illuminated tonight. We're all done right now using Brilliance Black Diamonds 3K and Brilliance Wi-Fi timer. All is well, man. Okay, it's outdoor lighting.